Good morning. My name is Alan Mills. Welcome to AM Woodturning. Today's project comes from this eastern red cedar. I had originally planned to do an end grain project, and I got to looking at it, and I had a split coming off of it, so I whacked it down. You can see I've got a second piece of it. I cut it down, and we're going to do a project. Let's do it. It'll take a minute to get it even out, but once we do, it should go fairly quick. Oh, we need some light on this subject, don't we? It's relatively dry, and they're probably hot coming off there, so I put a glove on. Got it mounted on a faceplate. That's a very good finish right off the tool. go too deep because it's not going to be a very big bowl to start with. Well, all right. Let me grab some friction polish. We'll put a quick coat on it, and we'll be done with that one. Homemade friction polish. 1 part boiled linseed oil, 1 part denatured alcohol, 1 part shellac. It's a good quick finish, and I like to cut up old socks. They work well for friction polish. I've tried the blue towels, I've tried regular paper towels. I get streaks, it just doesn't work well for me for some reason. Probably me. Most of the time I turn green wood, so it's kind of tough to put a finish on green wood. This has been down for quite a while, as I said, and it's dry enough it'll take it with no problem. You gotta build up friction and it'll start spreading it out and polishing it up. Stay out of the line of fire too. I should have a face shield on, but if you wear glasses like me, this will fling it on your glasses. And I'm afraid to use any kind of thing on my glasses to try to get it off. So I'm about to get a new pair actually. And I've usually got a rag on my bedway, but I don't this time. Don't know why. I guess because I'm a little bit of a hurry. Small projects like this, I tend to get in a little bit of a hurry. I'll take my time on bigger ones. More speed, Scotty. The more you pour it on, the more it builds up. I just want it to be presentable, not necessarily a super great finish. Oh, that looks nice. My wife will love it. She always does. Now, so YouTube, what do you think? It's a nice little bowl. It'd be good for keys or candy or something. I want to thank you for being here today, visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe. I have a day job, so I'm shut down like everybody else is due to this virus. Normally, I only turn on weekends, and I can't promise I'll get one out every weekend, but I will try, and sometimes two. Thank you. My name is Alan Mills, and this is AM Woodturning.